So we're here today to introduce the new Filterplus 650 static system. This is a fully integrated static system with a 650 litre tank, 650 capacity, with the 1000 litre to be joining the range very shortly. The reason for the 650 litre size is the compactness of it to be able to fit through the standard doorway. We often have inquiries for static systems to go into offices or downstairs in the basements. And with this 650 unit, you can go through those narrow doorways, which allows this to happen. The 1000 litre capacity is for those van systems where you've got 650 litres of tank of water required. The 1000 litre just gives you that extra buffer. So this is the unit, standing right next to the unit today. It has a fully integrated Filterplus static system within it. It is capable of producing up to 5,340 litres per 24 hours. So quite a rapid filling system on a small compact scale. Comes fully with the integrated with the carbon and the RO filters, along with the integrated DI system, which means it's fully encapsulated within the actual tank system, which makes it very, very versatile. Fully automatic, so when the tank is full, the machine will shut off. At that point, you can then dispense the water as you feel fit. There is various ways of dispensing water in this tank. You can either use the nozzle, which is a quick fill nozzle system, which has a timer, run timer on it, which prevents the pump from running for a long period of time and burning out, which is often a concern which we have within our range. The other option is the tank, which you can use that for buckets or containers, whatever you feel fit. The other option is to have a large bulk drain off on the side. Optional extra, that is. So on the Filterplus 650, this unit is designed for many applications. Can be used in multiple industries, right from the window cleaner, most popular, through to the aquatics. What we do advise on the aquatic side of things that the DI filter is removed, so you use RO water, which is better for the aquatics industry. It could be used for shopping centres, could be used for schools, anything of that nature, wherever you need pure water on demand. The beauty of this system is you could leave it filling up 24/7, 7 days a week. Therefore, you could be guaranteed a pure water at a second's notice, either 650 litres of it or 1000 litres, whatever range you want. So just to cover off a few features we have on here, we have the Filterplus static system incorporated in here. So we've got the automatic controller. We have the pressure gauge, which monitors the pump pressure, the waste adjustment valve, which you can set the adjustments, the carbon filtration system, the DI filtration system, 2 reverse osmosis units at the back. We have an integrated ton dish to ensure maintain your air gap, which is industry regulation. We have the solid 650 litre ABS tank, which has a vented lid. We have the timer control transfer system. And then we have the fixing flange, which allows you to secure it to the floor if you have that requirement. So, all in all, a very, very versatile system. Very low maintenance and very easy to operate for any of your operators. So if you have let's say a trolley unit, it will be simply press the button to activate the transfer pump, remove a nozzle, put it into your container and squeeze the trigger and allow it to fill up. Once it's full, release the trigger, put the nozzle back in its place, and you can rest assured that will cut off in period. So you can walk away ready to do your operation. Very, very quick, very easy. If you find 5,340 litres is not enough for your general 24 hours usage, we can upgrade to the larger unit. This unit is the Maxi, so the Filterplus Maxi. It has a capacity of over 9,000 litres per 24 hours. With this system, we advise to have a larger tank system, which is a static tank system, and with that comes the integrated transfer system installed. We can install these systems for you on any site, anywhere in the UK. Just reach out to us. So on the maintenance side of this, as I mentioned, very low maintenance system. What we would advise you to do is, this is the carbon filter. We'd always advise that to be changed every 4 months. And while you change the carbon filter, it's always advised you change the DR filter. So roughly, let's say every 4 months, that's 3 times a year. Very, very low maintenance there. The reverse osmosis units are a bit more trickier to change. We advise you to be in touch with us and we can send an engineer out to change those. We recommend those get changed every 18 to 24 months. So if these units are of interest to you, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Certainly something which can be made suited to your application. So whether you want the 650 litre size tank, or whether you think you require a 1,000 litre tank, or whether you require the 650 with additional added onto it, please reach out to us. Or if you're looking for greater capacity, so anything up to, let's say, 10,000, 15,000 litres of water per 24 hours, please reach out to us. We have systems which can cope with that. Many thanks. Bye for now.